You are going to love the 2013 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power lift gate, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, luggage rack, dual exhaust, rear window wiper, navigation system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.